All right, here we go. Another rational expression. We want to simplify. It says equals. This isn't an equation. It's just there's a couple of steps that go into this, right? There's a couple of equivalencies that we have to make in order to get this simplified. So first things first, we're subtracting two fractions. We need a common denominator. When you look at these denominators and you start thinking about common multiples, not common factors, but common multiples of those numbers, the first one that comes to mind would be 6, right? So 6 is a common multiple of 2 and 3. So 6 is going to be part of my denominator along with this x. The fastest way to get that then, to get this to be 6x, is to multiply by 3x. We've said that from the beginning. You want a common denominator? Multiply the denominators together. That will be your common denominator, okay? It's possible it might not be the least common, or lowest common, but it's common nonetheless. On the top, I kind of skipped over this because hopefully I don't even need to say anymore that you can't do any canceling here. This 3 won't cancel, this x won't cancel, because on the top we have a binomial. So I don't get to cancel there. I'm multiplying the top and the bottom over here by 2. So 3x times 1 is 3x. On the bottom, 3x times 2 is 6x. Minus, over here I'm going to have 6x on the bottom, but I'm going to distribute the 2 into the binomial up top. Right? Now, 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6. I'm subtracting a binomial. I'm subtracting these two fractions. I want to have them both written over 6x, but I'm subtracting this. I'm taking, if for lack of a better word, I'm taking the opposite of the numerator. That's what a negative fraction is. You can take the opposite of the numerator. So I'm subtracting 2x, but I'm also subtracting 6. So the 2 was 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 3 is 6, but there's 2 terms in this numerator. So I'm subtracting 2x and I'm subtracting a positive 6. We have to take the opposite of both. Then when I combine like terms for this, 3x minus 2x is 1x. The minus 6 I can't do anything with. So I have x minus 6 over 6x. And again, if you're looking at this thinking, oh, I'm going to start canceling, you cannot. This is a binomial. The only thing that's going to cancel with is another x minus 6 that's down here, which doesn't exist. Done.